Hi, hello everyone! I'm Toshi from Japan and tourist guide for foreigners. In this video, I'll show you 7 things to know before traveling to Japan in the winter of 2025.
If you're planning to visit Japan this December, you might be wondering, what's winter in Japan really like? Don't worry, in this video, I'll cover everything you need to know, from how to enjoy Japan's winter season, to must-see events, local foods, and even what to pack. And make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share some important things you should be careful about when traveling in Japan this winter. Plus, I also offer guided tour in Japan, travel itineraries based on trip duration and area, and recommendations for unique cultural experiences.
You can find more information in the description below. So, let's get started.
Number 1 is weather and travel tips. Let's talk about the weather in Japan this December, and some key tips you'll want to know before you pack. December marks the start of Japan's true winter season, and yes, it can get quite cold. But Japan stretches a long way from north to south, so the weather really depends on where you go. Let's break it down into 3 main regions. First, Hokkaido and the Tohoku region. The far north, temperatures often drop below freezing, and heavy snow is very common. It's perfect if you want to experience real winter scenery or try skiing. Next, Tokyo and Osaka, the most popular travel areas. Here, the average temperature is around 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Chilly, but generally mild and comfortable compared to northern Japan. And finally, Okinawa, known as Japan's Hawaii. This southern region stays warm even in winter, with average temperatures around 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A great escape from the cold. Of course, how cold it feels really depends on where you're coming from. If you live in Canada or the US East Coast, Japan's winter might feel easy. But if you're from warmer places like Los Angeles or Singapore, you'll definitely need good winter clothing. Also, Japan's air gets very dry during this season, so keep your skin and throat moisturized, and drink plenty of water.
Low humidity may cause colds. Prepare to enjoy Japan's winter.
Number 2 is where to go. Let's talk about where to go and what to experience in Japan this winter. Many first-time visitors wonder what kind of activities are worth trying and where to find them. I've divided this into 3 main categories. First, enjoy the snow. For travelers from warmer countries, Japan's snow can be a magical first experience. If you want to see beautiful winter landscapes, head to Hokkaido, the Tohoku region, or areas along the Sea of Japan. For example, in Furano and Ba in Hokkaido, you'll find vast snowy fields and stunning mountain scenery. The world-famous Shirakawa-go with its traditional gasho-style houses looks even more magical under a blanket of snow, especially when illuminated at night. If skiing or snowboarding is your thing, Nagano and Niigata are excellent choices, and don't forget Niseko in Hokkaido, famous for its high-quality powder snow. Ski resorts in Japan are often more than 50% cheaper than in North America, and they offer beginner-friendly slopes and full rental services, so anyone can enjoy the snow. Second, relax in a hot spring. Winter in Japan is the perfect season to enjoy an onsen. Let me introduce 3 famous spots. Ginzan Onsen, in Tohoku, is a nostalgic town said to inspire the movie Spirited Away, and the snowy streets make you feel like you're in a fairy tale. Kusatsu Onsen, one of Japan's top 3 hot springs, is only about 3 hours from Tokyo and offers high-quality baths. Finally, Noboribetsu Onsen, in Hokkaido, is surrounded by beautiful nature and features the volcanic Hell Valley, making it a great spot for sightseeing beyond the hot springs. Third, enjoy winter illuminations. Japan's early sunsets, in December, make the night sky perfect for spectacular light displays. Cities across the country host winter illumination events, with highlights in Tokyo's Marunouchi and Roppongi, Kyoto's Arashiyama, and Nagasaki's Huistenbosch. Many are free to enjoy, making them perfect for family outings or romantic dates. Winter illuminations offer a magical atmosphere, creating unforgettable memories for travelers.
Whatever you choose, Japan's winter will be unforgettable.
Number 3 is seasonal events. Japan's winter season comes with 2 major events that visitors should definitely experience: Christmas and New Year's. First, let's talk about Christmas in Japan. You might be surprised to hear that most Japanese people are not Christian, yet Christmas is widely celebrated here. Unlike in Western countries, Christmas in Japan is more about couples and friends spending time together rather than family gatherings. It's a season filled with romantic lights, gift exchanges, and beautiful decorations across the cities. One unique tradition is enjoying KFC fried chicken and Christmas cake. Yes, that's right, it's a Japanese thing. Back in the 1970s, KFC ran a marketing campaign saying Kentucky for Christmas. Since then, it's become so popular that many people pre-order their chicken weeks in advance. Couples often exchange gifts, and parents secretly leave presents from Santa Claus for their kids, a sweet touch that adds to Japan's holiday charm. Next comes New Year's, or Shogatsu. Unlike Christmas, this is a deeply traditional, family-centered holiday. Many people take a week off, return to their hometowns, and welcome the new year with family. One of the biggest customs is called Hatsumode, the first shrine visit of the year. Millions visit famous shrines like Meiji Jingu in Tokyo, or Fushimi Inari in Kyoto, to pray for good fortune in the coming year. You can also draw an omikuji, a fortune slip that reveals your luck for the year, a fun and memorable experience for any visitor. These two holidays show two sides of Japan, modern and traditional, and both offer a wonderful way to experience Japanese culture.
So if you visit Japan in winter, make sure to join the celebrations and create unforgettable memories.
Number 4 is seasonal foods. One of the best parts of visiting Japan is of course the food. And in December, Japan's winter season brings a variety of delicious dishes that warm both your body and your heart. Let's take a look at 3 must-try winter foods you shouldn't miss. First up, Japanese hot pot. It's a cozy dish where vegetables, seafood, and meat are cooked together in one big pot and shared with everyone at the table. There are many types of nabe, with broths based on miso, soy sauce, or dashi stock. In winter, specialties like crab hot pot and fugu hot pot, made with blowfish, are especially popular. Different regions of Japan also have their own styles. For example, motsu nabe from Kyushu, made with beef or pork intestines, is a local favorite. You can enjoy nabe at home, in izakaya pubs, or in restaurants all across Japan. Next we have oden, a comforting simmered dish perfect for cold days. It's made by slowly cooking ingredients like daikon radish, boiled eggs, konjac, and fish cakes in a light soy-based broth. Each ingredient absorbs the flavor of the soup, creating a simple yet rich taste. During winter, you can even find oden at convenience stores, sold near the counter. You pick your favorite pieces, and it's an easy, affordable way to enjoy warm Japanese comfort food while traveling. And finally, osechi, Japan's traditional New Year's cuisine. It's beautifully served in special layered boxes called jubako, and each dish has a symbolic meaning. For example, black beans represent good health, shrimp stands for long life, and herring roe symbolizes fertility and family prosperity. Osechi is typically shared with family to celebrate the new year, but nowadays you can also pre-order it from department stores or supermarkets. It's a wonderful way to experience Japanese culture and tradition through food. Japan's winter offers not just warmth for your body, but also flavors that tell stories of culture, family, and celebration.
So when you visit Japan this winter, make sure to taste it all.
Number 5 is what to pack. When traveling to Japan in December, there are a few essential items you definitely don't want to forget. Let's go over the 2 most important ones. First, warm clothing. Even in major cities like Tokyo, Osaka, or Kyoto, winter temperatures average around 7 degrees Celsius, or the mid-40s in Fahrenheit. Mornings and evenings can be especially chilly, so make sure to pack thermal layers and a warm winter coat. A scarf and gloves are also great to have. And here's a unique tip. Try Hokairo, Japan's disposable body warmers. Just shake the packet, and it starts to heat up. You can stick them inside your pockets or on your back to stay warm. They're sold at convenience stores everywhere for about 100 yen. A simple but amazing way to beat the cold. Next, dryness protection. Japan's winter air is very dry, so don't forget lip balm and moisturizer. Cold wind and low humidity can easily dry out your skin, so a small mist-type lotion is perfect for quick care on the go. You'll also find plenty of travel-sized skincare products at local pharmacies and convenience stores.
Stay warm, stay hydrated, and you'll enjoy Japan's winter in total comfort. If you would like a personal guide in Japan or need recommendations for travel plans and cultural experiences, please contact me from the link in the description section.
Number 6 is winter shopping secrets. Here are 2 great shopping tips if you visit Japan during the winter season. First, Hatsuri, or Japan's New Year's sales. Starting on January 1st, countless stores across Japan hold massive sales where you can find items at huge discounts. It's very similar to Black Friday in the US, but it happens right after New Year's Day. If you love shopping, January is one of the best times to visit Japan. Second, Fukubukuro, also known as lucky bags. These are mystery bags filled with surprise items worth far more than what you pay. For example, a bag that costs 10,000 yen might contain 30,000 yen worth of products. They come in all kinds: fashion, cosmetics, food, even electronics. Big brands like Starbucks, Disney, and Uniqlo also join in, offering their own popular versions every year. You can often reserve them online, but the most popular ones sell out fast. Some people even line up early in the morning to get them.
So if you visit Japan in January, don't miss the fun and excitement of New Year shopping, and maybe grab a lucky bag or two.
Number 7 is what to watch out for. Before you plan your winter trip to Japan, here are 3 important things to keep in mind. First, the New Year holiday rush. In Japan, most companies close during the New Year period, and many people travel to visit family or go on vacation. From around December 28th to January 3rd, trains, airports, and tourist spots become extremely crowded, and hotel prices often go up, so book your transportation and accommodation early if you're traveling during this time. Second, Shinkansen reservations are a must. During the peak season, all non-reserved seats are suspended. Only reserved seats are available. If you don't book in advance, you might not be able to board the train at all. For 2025, this busy period runs from December 26th to January 4th. And third, some restaurants and tourist spots close for the holidays. Even though it's a popular travel season, many local businesses take a few days off around New Year's. So if there's a specific place you want to visit, be sure to check their schedule in advance. Plan ahead, and you'll enjoy a smooth and stress-free winter trip in Japan.
How was today's video? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like button. See you in my next video. Bye!